how do Ligma jokes work in other languages? Well, sometimes it'll directly be the same, like in Spanish, where you can say per me trago, and then the other person will ask, ¿qué es per me trago? But it actually sounds like they said, ¿qué es per me trago? Which means, which sperm do I swallow? Or another popular one is crotolamo, because when you ask, ¿qué es crotolamo? It sounds like, which scrotum should I lick? But it doesn't work like that in all languages. For example, in Brazilian Portuguese, the joke relies more on getting you to say something that rhymes with something inappropriate. So the most common version of the joke is that you'll say the name Mario, and then they'll ask, who's Mario? And then you'll say, the one who fucked you behind the armario. Or in Russian, you just need to get people to say the word da, meaning yes, and then you can respond with pizda, meaning pussy. These are called phonological jokes because the humor relies on the word's phonology or sound structure. Another example is how we jokingly use the name Mike Hawk. But this particular style of phonological entrapment humor mostly seems to have emerged in the mid to late 90s. That's when we started combining the D's nuts setup with the actual sound of the preceding word, leading into the subsequent Joe Mama and Updog jokes of the early 2000s. Then other languages like Spanish borrowed our entrapment format, while the rhyming stuff in languages like Russian appears to be older and separate, which is why they have kind of a different sense of humor there. For more on memes in other languages, you now have less than a week left to pre-order my book Algospeak through my bio.